Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the Hoochie Coochie Man by Muddy Waters, and this is how it sounds. I have the lyrics here, I'm gonna do the singing. So it's gonna be like this. Gypsy woman told my mother before I was born, she's got a boy's child coming. He's gonna be a son of a gun. He's gonna make pretty women jump and shout. The world's gonna know what it's all about. Don't you know I'm a hero? Something like this, I don't know. It's not about the singing. Everybody in the Hoochie Coochie Man. I got a black cat bone, whatever. So it's not about the lyrics. It's about the guitar playing, and I found two versions of Muddy Waters, a live version and a studio version. In the live version, he was doing it in the key of G. In the studio version, he was doing it in the key of A. So I have selected, because my voice is too deep, I have selected the one in G. But if you want to play it in A, just move the whole thing up 2 frets. So let's get started. Alright, I'm playing it with finger picking. It's a bit cooler, but you can play with the pick as you like. So it's like this. This is the main thing, the famous one. This one here. So 5-5-3-3, 5-5-3-3-5. Yeah, that's this little figure. And it starts, but now the figure is very easy to play, but the rhythm probably is not so easy. So it starts when you count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then now comes a triplet. The triplet is 3 per beat. 1, 2, 3, 1. This is a triplet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the 1. Here, 5-5. This is the 1. So this is the figure which is played when the song starts. It's played 8 times from the singing on. So it starts like wait. Gypsy women told my mother. So from now on, when the lyrics come in, it is you played 8 times, and at the 8th time you, instead of, you make, then comes this figure 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 of the 8 times here in the 3rd fret, 1 and then 5th, 6th, 7th, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and now comes the band. In this case, I don't have a backing track. It's not really needed here. You find many backing tracks if you want. And now comes a normal blues rhythm guitar. So C5, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and pinky goes in the 7th, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 bars, 2 and back to G5. Same thing, move it down 1 string, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 bars. Now 1 bar on G, you move up here in the 5th fret, 7th fret, just 1 bar, go down to C, and now comes this little thing. So you start here 1, it's on the 3rd fret, 5th fret, 1. Now pinky goes in the 5th, index in the 2nd, 2, and now the middle finger comes in the 3rd fret. What is this flying doing on the guitar? Go away. Do you see it? Okay, again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So 1, now pink in the 5th, index in the 2nd, then move up with the index, third, and now you select the middle finger, and then go on D5, sorry, 1 and 2 and 3, and on 3 and the figure comes again. So the whole thing, that's a little bit complicated. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Gypsy woman, mother. Then the beginning comes again. So this is the main form with the lyrics. Basically A times G with this figure. Then the normal blues thing here, which a few of you might already know. Yeah, and then when we come from here, so I'm gonna play the whole thing in one row, okay? Without the lyrics now. Now, okay, with the lyrics, let me get the lyrics. Oh man, lyrics. Okay, now with the lyrics. Gypsy will tell my mother, before I was born, I got a boy's child coming. He's gonna be a son of a gun. He's gonna make pretty women jump and shout. Then the world's gonna know what it's all about. You don't know I'm here. Well, you know, I'm the Hoochie Coochie man. Everybody knows I'm here. Now the second part of the lyrics are coming. After that, so this whole thing is repeated once. After then, the soloing of the guitar solo comes. And now the form is different. Instead of 8 times G, you play 4 bars G, the rest remains the same. So instead of, you play the normal rhythm guitar, this one, 4 bars, and then the rest remains the same. Yeah, that's basically how it's played. Yeah, that was the Hoochie Coochie Man, and if anybody can tell me what a mojo is, because that pops up in many blues lyrics, I still don't know what a mojo is. I think it's kind of a little thing, like animal's foot like this, which you carry to bring you good luck. I think that's a mojo, but I don't really know what a mojo is. What is a mojo? Yeah, but that was Hoochie Coochie Man by Muddy Waters, played by many other artists. It's good to know that song because it's played in many jam sessions and it's so easy to play. You just need to know the 2 parts, which I showed. And if you're not sure, go to the HPCrazy Students Club. There you find the sheet music, which I wrote for download, and yeah, it's anyway be cooler part of the HPCrazy Studio Students Club. And remember, our new community motto is "We are all crazy." A t-shirt will come somewhere in the future. That we recognize all those who share the HPCrazy madness. We are all crazy because we play guitar. Yeah, follow me on Facebook. If you want to book private lessons on my website, you find them there. They're expensive, but cool. And follow me on Spotify. When new music shows up or concerts, you get a message there. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off. Gypsy woman told me.